Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis and talk about ZNOG and just kind of update you like I've been doing weekly on the price action and what I think that it might do moving forward. We did talk about what happened, although we didn't think that it was going to be like a situational type event of, unfortunate circumstances of, things with the war and everything that probably had had some impact on the price. I just thought overall it's going to slip and keep coming in this general direction anyway, but you see it fell a little bit harder and quicker than what we thought. So we thought it was going to break down to 3 cents, and then I think it's eventually going to go all the way down to 2 cents is my initial observation of the technicals and the overall pattern. And with things, the way things are shaping out with the war, I think it's an unfortunate possibility that it's going to happen sooner rather than later. So currently 3 cents is your floor of the Fibonacci retracement level. We are pretty close to undervalued, so shows that we do have some more room for downside before popping our head back up. But it's a good possibility, just based on what this chart's looking like, that we could find some type of support in this channel and just go sideways for a little bit before either popping our head back up and testing 4 cents or breaking below 3 and coming to 2.5 and then eventually to 2 cents. So this is the 180-day 4-hour time frame. And now this is the daily chart dating back from January 1st, 2022 to this past Friday. And just to kind of show and give you some perspective on where we're at on the long term. The overall cup and handle, long-term cup and handle pattern that I said that could potentially play out, still could play out. I'm not saying that it won't, but we need something to happen in order for it to start moving up. And it would actually have to go from where it's at now to 42 cents, which is a huge percentage gain from where it's at. So something significant would definitely have to take place. So the longer term time frame, your floor is about, like I said, 3 cents. And then you have about 11.5, 18 cents, 22, over 22.5, 27, 32.3285, and then 42 cents at the overall tip top. So what can we expect moving forward with ZNOG? Well, probably you're going to see a little bit more downside, and then people are going to come scoop up shares probably at the 3 cent mark and push that price up higher just a little bit, even if it's just like 3.5 cents, 4 cents, whatever, before it starts coming back down, I would think. But I do think overall that we are going to go lower than what we're seeing here. I'm thinking 2.5 at a minimum, 2 cents for the shorter term. I think over the next couple of weeks, if we get more kind of scary news in regards to the war in the Middle East, or just no news in general about them resuming operations and things of that nature, you got to keep in mind that safety is going to be their number one thing out there. And with everything what's happening, you're going to see some more delays, and they're going to be a lot more cautious than what they already have been. But I do think that 2 cents, easy possibility for me to see that price goes to 2 cents. So I would have to kind of wait it out and see exactly when that happens and just kind of go from there. In regards to buying, I still have not bought any more, okay? And I'm waiting for them to resume operations. And even then, I'm really skeptical about buying any more. However, if I do buy more, it would be around that time frame when they resume operations. But I want to see how the market reacts to them resuming operations. I want to see if it's going to start some type of little uptrend before I get in. I need to see some momentum because, it's, and again, this stock here, unless something really positive happens, it's going to stay where it's at, or it's going to continue to come lower than where it is. But if they would happen to get in and get things moving, and then let's say Trump gets back in office, that's a positive thing for any type of energy and oil stock. That's going to be a catalyst for it as well, even though they may not have actually hit oil just yet. Just kind of keep that in mind. And then hopefully they have some type of news that's positive to make the price start coming back up, and we'll just see where it plays out from there. So that's all I got for you in this one, guys. Just wanted to go over a little bit of technical analysis with you. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.